guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I decided to do a June favorites video. There's a lot of products that I've been trying out throughout the month and that I've really been enjoying so far. So I wanted to give you guys kind of an update of what I'm liking for the month of June. So if you guys are interested, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so the first product that I've been enjoying this month is the Korres, I don't know how you pronounce it, it's Korres, the Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser. It's for all skin types. I got this in one of the monthly makeup bags I receive. I do Ipsy and Sephora makeup bags every month. It's only $10 for each one, and you get a lot of really good products in each. Some of them are full size, some are travel size, but a lot of them go a long way. Like I have a lot of products like moisturizers and things that I'm still using to this day, and it came like a few months ago. So I've been using this cleanser for about maybe 2 weeks now, and I really like it because one, it smells really good, and second, it's really gentle on the skin, and I have really sensitive skin. So it's like important for me to have something that's not too abrasive or rough on my skin, and this really does that, and it gets your makeup off really nicely. I usually use the First Aid Beauty Cleanser. I use that as well at night, and I use this kind of in the mornings or at night, kind of depends. But I really like it so far, and I'll let you guys know how I am enjoying that. Okay, so the next products I have been loving. It is the Drunk Elephant. I've been using the Glycolic Night Serum and the Firma Day Serum. So this one I've actually been using since April, and this one just kind of, I really like this one, and that's why I went and purchased this one about 2 weeks ago as well, maybe 3 weeks. And I know they're really on the pricier side. This is like about $90, and I think the Firma is $80. But honestly, like for me, it is so worth it because I've had so many skin issues, and like just getting rid of scarring has been like my #1 thing. And this one really helps with texture. Like I know I had a lot of kind of like bumps. Like, I mean, my skin is smooth. Like it's just like scarring that I have. But this one, it kind of really like, it diminished some of the scarring, but mostly it just gave me like a nice texture and like kind of like a glowy look. And just kind of like really smooth to the touch, and there's not like really any bumps or anything. Like I had a lot of like forehead bumps, and that kind of got rid of almost all of them. Now this one is amazing for scarring. This is what you want to get if you have acne scars that you've been trying to get rid of. I definitely recommend this. Use it every morning. If you have like sensitive skin like I do, kind of like ease into it, don't use too much, and kind of like it might break you out at first depending on your skin type. But this one has really already, it's only been like 2 or 3 weeks, and I've already seen like my scars have gotten lighter. It's been a long journey for my skin to get where it is now. Like I had really bad skin the end of my senior year, so it's been like 2 years for my skin to get where it's at. But I've had like things that I've like been wanting to fix, like the scarring and like kind of redness, something I can't really like. The redness is kind of always going to be there, it's just who I am. But for this is just amazing for scarring. So I definitely recommend. I know that they are pricey, but I purchased this one during the VIB sales, so definitely look out for that whenever it's coming up, and you know, get this. This, I had a gift card for my birthday, so I got that for myself as a present. So you know, use things like that, look for deals. And I do want to film a skincare routine coming up, but I kind of want to wait a little bit to kind of get my skin in a place where, you know, I'm comfortable like completely sharing it. I mean, you guys have seen me without makeup, but I want to find all the products that are like completely effective for me. I'm still testing out the waters on some of these, and I definitely recommend the Drunk Elephant items. Again, like wait for like the VIB sale or something so that you can get those. Alright, so the next product is this brow product. I got it in one of my makeup bags again. I do, like I said, I do the monthly makeup ones. I'm not exactly sure which one I got this in, but it is the TreStique mini brow pencil in the shade Americano. And it looks like this. Sorry, it's kind of blurry. And it just has like a little, it reminds me of like the Anastasia, the brow definer kind of tip, where it's like thick. I don't know if you can see. And so I got it in one, I've been trying it out because I got it in one of my monthly bags, and I really liked it. Like the color is like dead on to like what my natural eyebrows are, and it just like really, they glides on really smoothly to fill in my brows. I don't do like too like dramatic of brows. I kind of like just, you know, just to fill in like any sparse areas. I don't really like overline them or anything, and this kind of really helps me do that because it just glides right onto those sparse areas. So I've really been liking this, and once I run out, I'm probably gonna pick up the full size. Okay, so another product that I've been liking, this is kind of random, but I saw it in Karen's video, I Love Sarah E, and it's this thing. So it's like, for your eyelashes, and I really like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, but the waterproof one, because the other one doesn't hold my lashes up. But the only thing is it's really clumpy, you know, like it's too clumpy for me to use. Like whenever I use it, I like put like a light layer and then use like another mascara over top of it to kind of like separate those. And so I picked this up. It's like a little, it's a little brush thing. It has like little bristles. And you just kind of like run your eyelashes through it, and it just kind of separates all those clumps. And like this has just like allowed me to use the mascaras that I like just helps me get rid of those clumps, because it's like a really good mascara and it really holds up nicely. It gives me a really great volume, but I don't usually wear it because of all the clumps and it's difficult to get rid of. So this has helped me. So shout out to Karen for putting me on this. I got mine on Amazon for like $4. So, you know, just this little thing, and it helps you just comb through your eyelashes. Alright, so the next I'm going to be talking about some palettes. So you already know the Colourpop Perception palette by Shayla and Colourpop. I have been loving this. Like all these colors are so beautiful, and I'm wearing it today. I'm using this shade right here on the lid, and it is just so beautiful. There's so many colors. Like honestly, like I feel like this is a palette that you can take and just create so many different looks. Like perfect for traveling, because it's just so versatile. They have so many colors. They have golden looks, peachy looks, they have mattes and glimmers and shimmers, and they have like smoky eye colors, green colors, browns, like everything that you could possibly need. And it's just like, it's only 16 shadows, but it's just definitely, I love this, and the payoff is great. It blends so nicely, and it's only $23, I believe. So definitely get your hands on this. Shayla, you did an amazing job in this collaboration. I love this palette, and it's definitely kind of what I've been using like every day. Okay, so the next palette is the Juvias Place palette, the Zulu. I've been using this palette a lot for some colorful looks I've been doing on Instagram, because look at these colors, like they're beautiful, and the payoff is amazing. Like they're just so pigmented. I did swatches in another video of not this palette but the Saharan palette, and I was just like blown away by the pigmentation of these, and they blend really nicely, and like they just have like kind of a lot of like rainbow colors that you need for like colorful looks. So I really like this one. I've been wanting to get the Morphe 35B palette, but apparently it's not online anymore, and I don't know, I think I heard that they're going to release a newer version or something, so I'm excited to try that out, because I really need like rainbow and colorful eyeshadows, because this is kind of what I've been using, and like a BH Cosmetics palette. But I really like this palette. Definitely affordable, and then like it's in the 20s, and the color payoff is great. They're completely blendable. Alright guys, so the next product I'm going to be talking about is the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliners. So on Instagram I've been doing a lot of colorful looks. If you guys don't follow me, you definitely should, at Glam by Deanna EP, quick plug right there. But anyways, I've been doing a lot of colorful looks, and I've been needing like eyeliners, but I've just been lazy and like carving out my wing with concealer and then putting a pigment on top of it, which is like super lazy, I know. So I finally bought eyeliners, and I've really been liking these because they're really pigmented and they glide on super easily, so I can do a wing no problem. The only thing is I wish there were more colors, and there might be maybe on the website, but at Ulta there weren't any other ones except for these, and I could really use like a white or like an orange, both. Okay, so next we're going to be talking about the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder. So if you saw my review on the foundation, unfortunately it didn't wear so well on me, it made me really oily, but something I did really like is the setting powder. So I use this every day to set my eyes, and also to bake and carve out my contour, and it looks really nice. It does an amazing job at that, so I really love this. I've been using this every day, especially to bake. I love it, and it just leaves your skin looking like really silky and smooth, like under the eyes and wherever you put it. So I've really been liking this powder, and for the price point it's amazing, because it's only $9 in comparison to like Laura Mercier and Too Faced Peach Powder, which is what I used, which are like $38. And of course they have more product, but still for $9, definitely recommend this. Okay, so next I'm going to be talking about the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip with the Shayla collaboration in the shade Neat Freak. I really love this. I'm wearing it right now, and it just wears so beautifully like on top of a nude lip, or even by itself, because it has gold reflex in it, and it just looks so pretty. It's stunning. I love it, and it's only $6, and I've been using this so much regularly, even though I only bought this like a week or two ago, but I've been using it nonstop. And I love it so far. Okay, the next item isn't really makeup related at all. It's a perfume. It's the Versace Bright Crystal. My friend gave this to me for my birthday, and I've been using it. I know that there's still like a lot left, but I love it. So honestly, like a little goes a long way with it though, like just like a little spray, and it smells so good. I'm really bad at describing smells, but like it smells so good. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe because of my upcoming giveaway, and I'll see you guys next time.